Tone test.
Oh, they want my eardrum.
Yeah. Pretty fucking loud back here.
I could pop my ear.
Which hertz did you start at there?
54, and then went up to 58.
Try 53 once. Yeah,
Good morning.
That's pretty loud.
That's 52.
What was the last one you stopped at? 52?
52.
Somewhere right around there is where you peak.
It's definitely in that 50 hertz range because that's when it starts to hurt.
Yeah. Keep going through that once. From 50 to 50. What did you go up to? Like 58 you said?
Yeah.
Go up to like 58.
Up to 59.
It seems like right like 53, 54. Somewhere in there is where you're peaking. Like maybe even right in between.
There's 50.
Yeah. I can tell by the amount your bag's shaking up there too.
Yeah.
Somewhere right in there's the peak.
Now you want to hear the funny one?
Wow. What was that, 30?
30.
Bump it once more like that.
Hold on. I lost it.
Wow. What does 35 sound like?
It definitely does not like 30.
It's not bad.
Here's 40.
They're still not hot or anything, so that's good.